Hey guys, Lynette here, and in today's video we are doing a Target haul. So let's get in and let's get into the haul. Alright guys, welcome back. So like I said, we are doing our Target haul, and actually today is the last day that I'm actually on vacation. So this is like the last shopping haul I'll be able to do on a rested day actually. So it was super chill. I just had to go out because I wanted to do another Bath and Body haul while not on the weekend. I like to do my shopping during the week, especially because everyone's at work and I can be there taking my time, taking a look around just to see what's in the store. So, but I did go out to Target and I wanted to share some things that I found over there which were super cheap. So I was only there supposedly for a pickup, but my order wasn't ready. So I was like, let me just take a look and see my last day here and see what is available. So I'll share with you guys this. This is hand towels. My kids go through hand towels so much, and the quality of Target hand towels and their washcloths and their towels are super good that I tend to not go for the higher brands. So these hand towels were, I believe they were $2.75. I'm like, where is the price? But it was all on the counter. So these were just $2.75. Trying to stick with that spring summer vibe, I guess. So I have like different pastel other hand towels in my bathroom. So I just wanted to add this one there too because they go through it super quick. But I don't know if you guys saw this there. I've seen these bowls and these plastic containers so you can put outside, but I thought they were super cute and I wanted to grab some. So I got like, these were 50 cents, which was really actually cheaper than the dollar store. So if you need any plastic bowls or plastic plates or cups, they have them there. So I got two in gray and they're super huge for 50 cents. And then I have this in rose, like a rose color. So sticking with like I wasn't too sure. It was funny. I kept looking in the aisle for the plates and the bowls, and I'm like, I'm not too sure. So I just got two of each. And then I have the same thing with the cups. I have two pink and then two gray, so they go super good with the bowls. And my kids go through bowls also, and for some reason we have bowls from a dollar store, but they're really flimsy. So my kids kept saying, can you get new bowls for us? I'm ready actually to get glassware, but my kids are teenagers. I do not trust them with glassware yet, so I can't wait till I can just get rid of all the plastic plates and bowls and things in my house because those are super annoying for me. But we needed this because I have like a if you guys know, I work from home and my monitor, my iMac is always this. I don't know why I touch the monitor, but I always do, and it's just so hard to get your fingerprints off the monitor. I know they always say use a microfiber with like spray water and stuff, but I've tried it and it's just not clean enough. So I got these just to see. And I know that Five Below actually has this. I saw this in another video, but I know with Five Below, it's if they have it in stock, and I saw these there, and this was $5.99, so it's just 99 cents more. And I don't know if you guys need, my daughter, she writes a lot. So she writes stories, she writes in her journals. She was asking me for a notebook. These notebooks, these are one subject wide ruled. If you need this for school, if you think you're gonna need this for next year, these were 25 cents. So I bought three. So I have one in red and then two in yellow, and that's really all they had. Otherwise I definitely would have bought more. And let me see what else, just to make sure I don't miss anything. Oh, these are some things that my husband is actually finally getting into skincare. So he was like, Lynette, I need some face cream and I need some moisturizer. So I was like, all right. He's getting into like YouTube and he's seeing that he wants to do like his own skincare routine. So these are just trials. If you have another significant other in your life, let me know if you use these products, let me know if these products work at all. So this is actually Dove Men Care Face Scrub. This is Deep Clean. He loves exfoliators. So that's what he's going to use there. And then another thing, this was actually the reason why I went to Target, was for these items. And then there was one item of his that wasn't available. So he has a Dove Men Care Face Lotion Hydrate. This is also he needs sunscreen because he does work out in a car all day. And then he realized how expensive serum was, and I told him this before. So this is a little thing called ginger vitamin C serum shot. So if you guys have ever used any of these products, let me know so I can give them a heads up if these were worth it. And then these are surprising because I actually literally last week went to Target when I first went on vacation just to see if they had any summer things, because I need new summer tops, and I love these tops there. But today they were on clearance already, and last week they were not. So I grabbed them before they were all gone. So these actually originally, these were $12, but they are now down to $6. So if you saw these tops in your Target, go check it out, or maybe do a price check because they are $6. And they had like 3 of the striped shirts that were $6. One was blue. I kind of wasn't digging the blue one, so this one was also $6. But yeah, that is everything that I found. Actually, in my Target, it seems like they are getting rid of a lot of like the summery type of thing. Bedding is on sale. Sheets were on sale like crazy. So if you need anything like that, look in those end caps of the aisles because those things were on sale like crazy. So yeah, that is basically everything today in my haul. But let me know in the comment section below what has been the latest good find that you found in your local Target. For me, it's been the shirts so far. But yeah, with that being said, you guys make sure to like, comment, and subscribe so you never miss another video. And don't worry, we'll see you on the next one. So have a good day, guys.